designer who I'm wearing today, that's Riddhi Sethi. She is not just a designer, of course, she's my very close friend, and I always uh, feel honored, I feel happy. There's so much of joy when I wear her clothes because I think her clothes do full justice to the kind of dressing I like to do. I am a very over the top kind of a person. I like wearing gowns, I like wearing heavy stuff. I like wearing trails. Obviously, when I'm going for a red carpet or an event, not for any casual events. But I think she makes amazing stuff. And if probably you see me on my social sites, you'll see me wearing only Riddhi. So I think she is very, very close to me, not just because of how good of a designer she is, but also that she understands me. She knows the kind of dresses that I like. So at times, even if I'm not there, and if I just tell her, okay, I need your outfit for tomorrow, she just knows, and whatever she sends me, I just love it. So I think वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है एक एक्टर और एक डिज़ाइनर के बीच में कि मुझे क्या पसंद है और मुझ पर क्या सूट होगा. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ रिलेशन वी हैव. Fashion means everything to me. I love fashion, but I'm not that kind of a fashion person who goes crazy कि अब ये fashion अब ये तो करना ही है. As long as I'm someone, I only do things and I dress up in a way only if I like it and only if it suits me. So there are a lot of things that comes in fashion which doesn't look good on me, so I never try them. So true. You just said it. I actually had a gold clutch also, and I was like, नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा retro हो जाएगा ये. So I think I avoided the clutch, and also the reason is because the gown is so heavy because of the tassels. मैं gown, मैंने सोचा या तो मैं clutch पकड़ सकती हूँ या तो gown. So I chose holding the gown. So yeah, I think I feel golden dress के साथ सबसे पहली बात है you can never go wrong. And golden dress with dark lips and dark nails, I think they look classy. They look you look dressed up. And at the same time there is this elegance, you look pretty, you never look like अरे ये क्या पहना है. So and the best thing about gold is वो कोई भी skin complexion के साथ अच्छा लगता है, whether you're a wheatish person, whether you're a fair person. I think it complements all kind of skin tones. So I think gold is always my favorite color. Yes. Well, I can keep going on and on and on and on and on about Vishal Pandya and his project. I think I'm very, very excited that I'm finally doing Vajah Tum Ho, and it's releasing on 2nd of December. 12th October से we'll have the trailers out, so I'm sure बहुत सारे responses आएंगे. It's a thriller, so so you can expect a lot of thrills in the film. Every scene unfolds new mystery, and it's very difficult to decide. कहते हैं ना जब स्पेशली थ्रिलर देखो अगर आपको पता है इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, that's the most boring film to see. But I'm not just saying because it's my film, but definitely because it's my film, I'm more conscious कि यार ऐसा ना हो कि लोगों को पता चल जाए सीन के बाद क्या है. I think Vishal is expert in thriller. He's been doing thrillers, and I'm very excited कि finally I'm doing a full-fledged film as a proper lead, and there is no other girl in the film, which is very interesting. So I have explored different kind of acting in terms of aggressive hona, in terms of I'm playing a lawyer in the film. I'm playing a very mature character in the film, which I'm not otherwise. I'm a very talkative girl, so बहुत कम बोलना और slow बोलना मेरे लिए बहुत difficult था. But I think we've done a great job, and my director, the very important thing is the director knows what to do on set. ऐसा नहीं अच्छा ये नहीं चलो इससे चला लेते. He's not a चलाओ kind of a director, which is the best thing about Vishal. अगर ये चाहिए तो ये चाहिए. And that makes an actor more interested in the project. कि नहीं यार, director is very careful about everything. So I think I'm very, very happy. We have some amazing songs. You can never go wrong with songs. So I think we're going to come with the blockbuster of this year for sure. Thank you.
Hello. Well, I've worked with Cineyug and I've worked with the Muranis a number of times on films and shoots and things like that. So I know whatever they do really well. And I was very excited when they told me they're starting a luxury lifestyle event like Joya. I think it's the first time. It's going to be really something done on a good scale. And they have a lot of surprises up their sleeves. So I'm really looking forward to the whole event. Also, I'm a menswear designer, and also even as a guy attending these exhibitions, it becomes very difficult because of the timing. So I'm really excited about the night shopping. And they've got shopping till about 12 o'clock, till about a little later. So that's something I'm very excited about.
आप लोगों को ऐसा डिफिकल्ट है जो आप बनाने में बहुत नर्वस हुए थे या फिर आपने मतलब कोई सेलेक्ट के लिए बनाया था और बहुत नर्वस थे और बना नहीं पाए या फिर उस बारे में क्या?
नर्वसनेस तो मतलब नर्वसनेस के दिन गए अभी, पर हर पीस अभी कर रहे हो वो थोड़ा वो बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक वाइब तो रहता ही है. बट द आइडिया इज फैशन में क्या होता है, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग न्यू एंड डिफरेंट. तो अगर तुम रिस्क नहीं लोगे कुछ नया बनेगा ही. तो रिस्क में ही मज़ा है, रिस्क लेते रहना चाहिए तो ही नई चीज़ें